Are you drowning in data, spending countless hours manually analyzing spreadsheets, generating charts, and then painstakingly copy-pasting everything into reports? It's slow, repetitive, and honestly a huge drain on your productivity. You're not alone. Most of us juggle between Excel, PowerPoint, and various charting tools, losing precious time and context with every switch. But what if you could do all of that, complex analysis, custom charts, and professional reports in minutes without writing a single line of code right in a simple chat interface? That's exactly what Lovable AI offers. And after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to upload any dataset, perform deep analysis, generate custom charts on the fly, and export perfectly formatted reports to Excel, PDF, or PowerPoint, all seamlessly within the Lovable AI chat. Imagine reclaiming hours every week, freeing you up for strategic work instead of data grunt work. Let's get started. Data nightmares. The real problem. The fundamental issue is that data analysis and reporting, for many, is still stuck in the past. We're talking about manual processing, which isn't just time-consuming, it's also incredibly prone to human error. A misplaced formula, a forgotten update, or an inconsistent chart style can completely undermine your insights. And the constant jumping between different software applications? Each time you copy data from your analysis tool into your presentation tool, you're creating potential points of failure and wasting valuable minutes. Lovable AI completely sidesteps this by integrating the entire workflow, from raw data to polished document, directly within a single intuitive conversation. This isn't just about convenience, it's about gaining back hours weekly and ensuring accuracy. So, how do we transform this common pain point into a powerful productivity advantage? Set up Lovable AI for success. First things first, let's get you set up. Open your web browser and navigate directly to lovable.ai. You'll find the link conveniently placed in the description below. Once there, you can either click Sign Up if you're new, or simply log in if you already have an account. It's a straightforward process. While you're getting logged in, make sure you have a sample dataset ready to go. This could be anything from a CSV file of your latest sales figures, an Excel spreadsheet detailing customer demographics, or even a simple text file of website visitor statistics. Don't worry about complexity right now. Just pick something you'd like to analyze. Now, here's the crucial gotcha that most people miss. Before you even upload your data, have a clear idea in mind of what your data represents and, more importantly, what questions you want Lovable AI to answer, or what insights you're hoping to extract. This upfront clarity will make your prompts much more effective. With your account ready and data prepared, let's dive into the core technique. Automate analysis step by step. This is where the magic happens. Lovable AI makes it incredibly simple. Step 1. Upload your file. I'll demonstrate with a file named q3_sales.csv. Simply drag and drop your CSV or Excel file directly into the Lovable AI chat interface. You'll see it instantly recognized. It's that easy. No manual imports or configuration needed. Step 2. Prompt for analysis. Once uploaded, tell Lovable AI what to do. Type this exact prompt. Analyze this data for trends in revenue by product category and identify the top 5 performing products. Hit Enter. You'll see Lovable AI swiftly process your request, returning key insights, identified trends, and a clear list of the top performers. It's almost instant gratification. Step 3. Refine and visualize. Now, let's turn those insights into a visual. Follow up with this prompt. Generate a bar chart showing the total revenue for the top 5 products and export it as an Excel spreadsheet. Lovable AI will create the visualization, embed it into a new Excel file, and provide you with a download link. You get a ready-to-use chart perfectly formatted in seconds. Let's try another example with a slightly different goal. Imagine you have a file called monthly-website-metrics.xlsx. Upload it just as before. Then request a summary report. Summarize the key findings from this website metrics data, focusing on user engagement and conversion rates. Include a line chart showing monthly active users and compile everything into a PDF document. Again, Lovable AI does the heavy lifting, giving you a professional, shareable PDF complete with analysis and a clear line chart. The key variable here is experimentation with your prompts.
Be specific about the analysis depth, the metrics you care about, and the exact chart types you prefer. Bar, line, pie, scatter, it handles them all. Advanced AI data tricks. Lovable AI isn't just about basic analysis. It's also incredibly powerful for extending your data insights. Here's how to become a power user. Power user trick 1, predictive analysis. After your initial report, don't stop there. Use follow-up prompts to build on your findings. For example, if you've just analyzed historical sales data, you could type, "Now predict next quarter's sales based on this data," providing a high and low confidence interval. Lovable AI will leverage its predictive capabilities to give you actionable forecasts, all within the same conversation thread. Power user trick 2, instant presentations. Imagine needing a presentation ready for a last-minute meeting.
Create a PowerPoint presentation summarizing the Q1 performance, with 3 slides covering key achievements, challenges, and next steps. Include relevant charts. Lovable AI will generate a structured presentation, complete with placeholder content and your requested charts, saving you hours of formatting. And because Lovable AI exports in standard formats like Excel, PDF, and PowerPoint, integrating these outputs into your existing project management tools, internal dashboards, or client-facing reports is seamless. This means no more clunky conversions or compatibility issues. Transform your workflow today. Let's tie this back to real-world impact. Consider our initial sales data example. Instead of spending an entire morning manually pulling numbers, creating charts, and writing up a summary for your quarterly review, with Lovable AI, you upload your annual sales 2023.csv file, prompt for quarterly revenue trends, ask for a bar chart comparing performance year over year, and then request a PDF report summarizing key findings for your Q4 review meeting. The entire process, under 5 minutes. This isn't an exaggeration, it's a demonstration of true efficiency. We're talking about easily saving 2-3 hours per report, which translates into an incredible amount of time freed up for more strategic, high-value work. Think about the possibilities: rapid market analysis, streamlined financial reporting, quick project progress updates, or even summarizing complex academic research. Lovable AI isn't just a tool, it's a productivity superpower for anyone working with data. Ready to transform your data analysis workflow? Give Lovable AI a try today. The link is in the description below. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials. Next time, we'll be exploring how to automate your email marketing campaigns using AI.